Alright, go for another live feed here down at the very south end of Pelican Bay Beach in North Naples, Florida. It's about 65 degrees now. Beautiful clear skies. Tide's still going out. Water temperature 76 degrees. Look at all these little sandpipers. Look at all these little sandpipers down here. It's been a bird watching morning. Go check out my last live feed. Wow, lots of birds. I'm gonna make my way north up Pelican Bay Beach here towards Vanderbilt Beach. I don't think we'll be making that entire journey during my live feed. I've wasted a lot of battery down here this morning, but hey, we're together and we're on the beach. We did see some beautiful things, even though those live feeds got interrupted with a bad cellular connection provided by our friends at T-Mobile. I want to thank them for their reliable service. It was really bad this morning. Really bad. I think I got a couple photos and videos to share later, so hopefully I'll make up for the lack of live feed. But the whole idea with the live feed, as you know, is just to give everybody a chance to get together here, say good morning to each other, spend a little quality time together with our beach family. But we do get to see some beautiful things, don't we? Happy Taco Tuesday, my friends. Boy, this morning, during my walk down here, they had 2 tractors raking the beach this morning. Expecting a lot of garbage, I guess, because of spring break. Boy, Vanderbilt Beach was a mob scene yesterday. If you don't have to go to the beach, stay the heck away from the beach during spring break. Let the kids have it. Let them have their fun. Little white ibis. Great morning. Lots of bird activity down here. Look at all that beach. It's a long walk to get here. Unless you live in Pelican Bay, you're going to be hoofing it down to Clam Pass. Look at all that beautiful beach. Preserve over there, that's all preserved land. It's the nicest part of the walk. We can see they were down here raking this morning. They raked this entire beach down here this morning. They don't do that too often. Maybe they were getting some complaints. Water feels great, by the way. Absolutely gorgeous. water's kind of churned up. It's been rough out here the past few days, so that water is kind of cloudy right now. Not polluted, just cloudy. Did see some gorgeous colors this morning. Gorgeous. Couldn't believe how low that tide was at Clam Pass. Some of those videos turned out this morning, the photos. Share button, let everybody know I'm back here. I know it's getting late for those that have to go to work. I hate this time change. Ugh. I don't see too many spring breakers down at this end of the beach. I don't see those spring breakers out on the beach in the morning. I'm sure they don't start rolling out of bed bright and early. Those college kids. I would be young like that again. Wouldn't that be something? Oof. I don't know if I'd want to be young and just starting out in these times. Oh, this world's a mess. Hey, send some stars if you're liking what you're seeing here. I get a penny for each star that you send on Facebook. Tips, always greatly appreciated. Remember, it's your generosity, your kindness that keeps me going. I depend on your support to make ends meet every month. If you'd like to send a little thank you, a token of appreciation as I call it, you can find a link to my PayPal account in the description of this post. Every dollar counts, my friends. You can also find me on Venmo and Apple Pay. Boy, it's going to be an incredible day here. A glorious day for the beach, for sure. It's like no man's land down here. No man's land. That's an old expression. It's incredible, all this beach. Beach, empty beach. It's really a private beach. Technically, I don't know, the high tide line or some crap is the public beach up to the high tide line, and this is private. I don't know. I don't know how you can make a beach private when you're using taxpayers' dollars to keep it clean. Seems kind of fishy to me. So my first live feed this morning, daybreak, I don't know if it lasted 5 minutes before I lost my connection, but it was beautiful. I was kind of back up in Clam Pass, kind of back in the back little bay beautiful back there this morning. You can check that out when this ends. And then check out all those birds, man. 2 videos of birds. 2 short videos, 2 short live feeds of birds at Clam Pass. Back in here, the sand is awesome. Super soft and clean. Just fluffy white sand. How would you like to get your toes in it with me? How would you like to get some sand between your toes this morning? And before you know it, sea turtle nesting season will be upon us. And we'll start to see our little ladies laying their eggs all up and down this beach. Had a record number last year. But unfortunately, we lost a lot of them. I wonder if Marcus, our sea turtle man, will still be working this year. We'll see him checking on all those nests. He had his hands full last season. Oh boy. He had to actually hire some help. I hear a woodpecker somewhere. Somewhere in those woods I hear a woodpecker pounding away. What do you think? You having a good time? It's beautiful out here. Absolutely glorious. As Roy taught us all to say, glorious, glorious, everything's glorious. The water, the sky, the sand, our friends, everything's glorious. There's a stand with an osprey nest on it over here. Been hearing a woodpecker coming, pecking back in here somewhere. I don't know if there's anything else. Hear it? Did you hear it? See anybody up there? He's right in here somewhere, pecking away. I don't think that's a bullfrog. Maybe, could be a bullfrog. Oh, it's not a gator. Oh, we do have a good time, don't we, in the mornings? pretty repetitive, isn't it? All this brush is starting to grow back. Just remember, this was all underwater during Hurricane Ian. That palm tree right there, that water was, more than halfway up that palm tree, the storm surge. This used to be all super thick, lush vegetation. You could not see through there. You couldn't see the condos back there. It'll be back. Let's just keep our fingers crossed so we don't have another Ian. So before I even started my live feeds this morning, I had already walked 3.7 miles just to get down to Clam Pass. This will be a nice walk this morning. Did a lot of walking back and forth at the pass this morning. Get you back down by that water. It's actually a fun little walk down here. Down this part. It's nice. I really don't like it much when we get up to the condos and they're blocking the sun. This is nice. Got all the sunlight hitting this big expanse of white sandy beach. Took me, the better part of an hour, maybe a little longer, an hour, 5 minutes maybe. I'm trying to think, an hour and 15 minutes to get from my house to Clam Pass. Walk along here. Getting a low battery warning. As you walk along here, every once in a while you'll see the remains of little tree stumps down by the water's edge. It's just hard to imagine that those trees used to be all the way out here. Well, I knew it wasn't going to be a long live feed, but hey, at least we got some quality beach time in here. We got one little beach walk, but we did see some beautiful things. Go back and watch my other couple feeds that I attempted to do this morning. Some beautiful sights. When I go up and check out Vanderbilt Beach, I'll share a video of what that looks like a little later today. It won't be like it was yesterday afternoon. It's going to be busy. Like I said earlier, if you're planning on coming to the beach today, remember spring breakers are here. If you're one of those people that complains all the time about big crowds and young people on the beach, stay home. Stay home for the next couple weeks. They're here and they're going to have a good time. Let's hope they respect our beaches. Don't do what they did in Miami. All right, my friends. Good morning. That's gonna do it for this morning's walk. And look at the water here. Hit that share button, send some stars, send a tip. Become a subscriber to my Southwest Florida television page. Remember, I depend on your financial support to make ends meet every month. Without your help, I couldn't be out here. Keep that in mind. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a glorious, glorious Tuesday. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your life. And God bless our wonderful country. God bless America. Tally-ho. Tally-ho.